Have you ever dreamed of making money from the comfort of your own home, setting your own hours, and working on your own terms? Imagine a life where your words are your currency, and your creativity is your most valuable asset. More and more people are discovering that it's possible to earn a real income simply by writing, and you could be one of them. Picture this. You start your day with a fresh cup of coffee, sunlight streaming through your window, and instead of rushing out the door to face traffic, you settle into your favorite chair and open your laptop. Your commute is just a few steps from your bed, and your workspace is wherever you feel most comfortable. What if you could actually get paid just for writing? This isn't just a fantasy. It's a real opportunity available to anyone with a computer, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a side hustle, freelance writing can fit into your life. You don't need a fancy degree or years of professional experience to get started. All you need is curiosity, a desire to improve, and the motivation to put your thoughts into words. Many successful writers began with nothing but a passion for storytelling or a knack for explaining things clearly. Businesses of all sizes are constantly searching for fresh content. Blog posts, product descriptions, newsletters, social media updates, and so much more. Every website you visit, every product you buy, and every brand you follow online needs someone to write their message. That someone could be you. The demand for writers is growing every day, which means there's plenty of room for newcomers. You don't have to be a best-selling author to get started. There's a place for every voice, including yours. As you gain experience, you'll find your unique style and discover the types of writing you enjoy most. Forget about rigid schedules, office politics, and the daily grind. Freelance writing gives you the freedom to choose your projects, set your own hours, and work from anywhere. You're in control of your time, your workload, and your career path. While it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, with dedication and persistence, you can build a steady, sustainable income over time. Many writers start part-time and eventually turn their passion into a full-time career, enjoying both financial rewards and personal satisfaction. This guide is designed to walk you through every step of the process, from finding your first writing gig to building a portfolio and growing your skills. Even if you have no experience, you'll learn exactly what you need to get started and succeed. So, are you ready to get paid for your words, unlock new opportunities, and take control of your career and your future? The world of freelance writing is waiting for you. Let's dive in together and begin your exciting journey into the world of freelance writing. Your story starts now. Working from home is about more than just comfy clothes or lounging in pajamas all day. It's a lifestyle shift that gives you the power to shape your day, your environment, and your career in ways that traditional office jobs simply can't match. Say goodbye to traffic jams, crowded buses, and wasted hours spent commuting. Now, your office can be your kitchen table, your favorite spot on the couch, or even a sunny corner by the window. You get to decide where you're most comfortable and productive. The flexibility of freelance writing means you can set your own hours. Whether you're most creative late at night or you love the quiet of early mornings, you're in control. No more rigid 9-to-5 schedules. Work when inspiration strikes and take breaks when you need them. This freedom is perfect for parents juggling family life, students balancing classes, or anyone with a busy schedule. You can fit your work around your life, not the other way around, making it easier to manage responsibilities and still pursue your career goals. In the world of freelance writing, your skills and creativity speak for you. You're judged on the quality of your writing, not on how you perform in interviews or how well you navigate office politics. Your work is your reputation. Building client relationships is all about your professionalism and the results you deliver. You don't have to worry about fitting into a corporate mold or impressing people with small talk. Instead, you can focus on doing great work and letting that speak for itself. And because your workspace is your own, you can design it to inspire you. Add plants, hang up your favorite art, or play music that helps you focus. Create an environment that sparks creativity and keeps you motivated every day. Take breaks when you need them, stretch, make a cup of tea, or step outside for fresh air. You have the freedom to create a routine that works for you, helping you stay energized and avoid burnout. This level of control over your environment and schedule can lead to higher productivity and greater job satisfaction. When you're comfortable and in charge, you're more likely to do your best work and actually enjoy the process. Freelance writing isn't just a job, it's a way to build a career that truly fits your lifestyle. You can take on projects that excite you, set your own goals, and grow at your own pace. Ultimately, it's about freedom, flexibility, and making your work life your own. With freelance writing, you're not just working from home, you're creating a life that works for you. Starting as a freelance writer is easier than you think if you break it into steps. Set up a dedicated workspace. Any quiet spot will do. Make sure you have a reliable computer and internet connection. Create a professional email address to impress clients. Set up a PayPal or Payoneer account to get paid easily. Choose a niche. Think about your interests or past experience. Writing about topics you enjoy makes the work more fun and helps you stand out. Don't worry if you don't have a niche yet, you can explore as you go. Write 2 or 3 short sample articles in your chosen area. These samples are your portfolio, proof you can write well. Save them as Google Docs or PDFs to share with clients. With these basics, you're already ahead of most beginners. Now you're ready to find your first writing job. With your workspace set up and your writing samples polished, you're ready to take the next big step, finding your very first paid writing gig. This can feel overwhelming at first, but remember, every successful freelancer started right where you are now, eager, a little nervous, and full of potential. Begin your search with Content Mills. These are websites that post a high volume of entry-level writing jobs. They're not glamorous, and the pay is often on the lower side, but they offer a steady stream of opportunities for beginners. Working with Content Mills helps you build your portfolio, gain real-world experience, and learn how to communicate with clients. You'll also get a feel for meeting deadlines and following briefs, which are essential skills for any writer. Think of this stage as a paid internship. It's a chance to develop your skills, boost your confidence, and get comfortable with the process of submitting work and receiving feedback. Next, explore popular freelance marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms connect freelancers with clients from all over the world, offering a wide range of writing jobs in different niches. On Upwork, search specifically for entry-level jobs and take time to craft thoughtful proposals tailored to each client. On Fiverr, you can create your own gig, describing the writing services you offer, and let clients come to you. Both platforms reward persistence and professionalism. When starting out, focus on small, manageable jobs. These are easier to land and will help you quickly build up positive reviews, which are crucial for attracting more clients in the future. Don't forget to check company websites for Write For Us sections. Many blogs and online magazines are open to new contributors. LinkedIn is also a powerful tool for finding freelance writing opportunities and connecting with editors or hiring managers. Join Facebook writing groups and online communities. These groups are full of job leads, advice, and support from fellow writers who understand the challenges of starting out. Make it a habit to apply to several jobs every day. The more you put yourself out there, the better your chances of landing your first assignment. Persistence truly is key in the freelance world. It's normal if it takes a little time to land your first gig. Don't get discouraged by rejections or slow responses. Every application is a step forward. Remember, every effort you make brings you closer to your first paid writing job. Stay patient, keep learning, and celebrate each small win along the way. No experience? No problem. Focus on what you offer: enthusiasm, reliability, and a fresh perspective. Start with small, simple jobs, product descriptions, social posts, or short articles. These are less competitive and help you build a track record. Each small win leads to better opportunities and positive reviews. Personalize every application. Mention the client's name and project details. Show you've read their requirements and explain why you're a good fit. Use your writing samples to prove your skills, even if you haven't worked with clients yet. Tailor your samples to the job you're applying for. A strong, relevant sample can outweigh a lack of experience. Clients care most about your ability to deliver quality writing. Let your work speak for itself. To succeed as a freelance writer, focus on building a few key skills. Write clearly and correctly. Use tools like Grammarly to catch errors. Always proofread before sending work to clients. Follow instructions carefully. Clients value writers who meet their guidelines. If you're unsure about something, ask questions up front. Learn to research topics quickly and find reliable sources. Most writing jobs require you to write about subjects you're not an expert in. Master the basics of SEO, using keywords, writing strong headlines, and structuring articles. SEO skills make you more valuable to clients. There are plenty of free resources online to help you learn. The more you improve these skills, the more you can earn. Keep learning and growing as a writer. Setting your rates can be confusing, but start simple. As a beginner, charge per word or per project. 2 to 5 cents per word is common. Focus on building your portfolio and getting positive reviews, not making big money right away. For example, a 500-word post at 3 cents per word earns you $15. Once you have a few projects and good feedback, raise your rates gradually. Confident writers who value their work attract better clients. Research what others with your experience are charging. Check Facebook groups and Upwork profiles. Adjust your rates as your skills and portfolio grow. Don't be afraid to let go of low-paying clients for better opportunities. Your income will rise as you gain experience and provide more value. Start small, then grow your rates as you build your career. Avoiding common mistakes will help you succeed faster. Poor communication is a top pitfall. Respond to clients quickly and keep them updated. Always proofread your work. Typos and errors can cost you clients. Don't rely solely on grammar tools. Do a final review yourself. Don't undersell yourself for too long. Raise your rates as you gain experience. Regularly reevaluate your rates and don't be afraid to drop low-paying clients. Persistence is key. Rejection is normal, but don't let it stop you. Every application and project is a learning experience. The writers who succeed are the ones who keep improving and applying. Treat every setback as a step forward. Value your time and skills to build a sustainable career. Stay committed and your efforts will pay off. Success comes to those who don't give up. You now have the tools and knowledge to start your freelance writing journey. The freedom and flexibility of working from home are within your reach. Start with small gigs, personalize your applications, and use your samples to showcase your skills. The demand for writers is high. There's a place for you. The only thing left is to take action. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Open a new document and write your first sample article. Set up your professional email and sign up for a freelance platform. Take one small step today. Your writing career starts now. The future is yours to write.